mean, my goal is to be able to speak in French, but it scares the crap out of me. So I figured a great way to kind of start off would be to just do a simple get ready with me and do my best. And my best is not good. I will make a ton of mistakes. It will be painful at times, but I'm doing this so I can kind of rip the band-aid off in a little bit of a fun way. So, I mean, be kind. Also, feel free to correct me if you notice anything. I don't expect you guys to correct everything because you'd be correcting everything. I watched a few different makeup routine videos in French. One of the ones that I specifically watched was by the very lovely Hello Nicolette. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. So if after this you want to see someone who knows how to speak French a little bit better than me do a get ready with me, you feel free to watch that. But yeah, that's that's what we're doing today. Aussi, oui, mes cheveux sont différents. Je suis blonde. So yeah, that's a little different. My cousin helped me dye it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Ok, je suis prêt. Ah! Je commence par le sérum de GRWM. À la GRWM. Did I say it was vitamin C? I don't know. Puis j'applique mon moisturizer. Puis j'applique mon hydratant. Hydratant. J'utilise le CeraVe. La CeraVe. Roller. Alors ma peau c'est... Non. Alors ma peau est très sèche. Sèche. J'ai utilisé de la vaseline récemment, I think. Generally, I just use it at night, but I sometimes, if I need it during the day, I will put it on my skin. Helps my makeup go on a lot smoother, especially on days when I want to feel really pretty and cute. Puis a sunscreen. Crème de la soleil. SPF 50. Me thinking about all the mistakes I'm making. Use a lot. Oh, down the neck. J'utilise sunscreen tous les jours. And this much. Je ne plaisante pas. Would that be I'm not joking? I'm not joking. This is how much I use. How do you say blend in French? It's in my eyebrows. It's like, oh, this is cute. Makes my teeth look really yellow. It's so much easier to just speak English. If I want to ever get better, I have to kind of force myself to just like do this type of stuff, you know? Force myself out of my comfort zone. J'aime la crème solaire CeraVe, mais j'aime plus crème de solaire La Roche-Posay, mais c'est plus cher. But this one's a lot nicer. Juste un peu de foundation. Oui. Juste dans la zone areas où je le veux. Nailed it. Ton pour le eyebrows. I have been doing soap brows récemment. Un peu de l'eau. Un peu de soap. C'est savon. Brush. Brush it in, babies. Je vais up and out. Le Too Faced bonbon palette malted. Regarde la différence. Non. Regarde la différence. Maintenant, je vais faire du maquillage pour les yeux. J'aime être créatif. Je commençais par a light base. Le Too Faced Life's a festival. It's so cute. Gonna go in with Young and Free. This is a nice pink. J'aime vraiment le eyeshadow rose. Put it on the outer corner and blend. I feel like I'm doing ASMR right now. And we'll blend more in a second, don't worry. Utiliser à nouveau cette brush. Again, use this brush again that we used before. Euphorique. Unicorn tears. Boop, boop. Mon préféré, my favorite, I don't know. Glitter. I'm gonna use Morphe. Hit the lights. Switching back to English for a second so that I don't cry. I'm gonna be using a mix of gold and silver. These two right here. We'll do both. And a little bit underneath. Color Pop in Ladybird. J'adore ce eyeshadow. It adds a little more sparkle. Je vais faire plus de café. Je serai de retour. Did I say it right? Did I do that work in my head correctly? We'll find out. Let me know. J'ai plus du café et j'ai déjeuné. Woo! Je dois finir le maquillage des yeux. Je pense que c'est très mignon. Do I want mascara? I don't know. Blush time. Mon blush. Is it called rouge? I feel like I don't think so. Mon blush préféré est en fait lipstick. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Poet. Je pense que c'est très joli sur ma peau. My skin. Po. I think it's po, not poo. Po, not poo. It's so embarrassing. And I put it high up on my cheekbones. And on the nose too. Use the same sponge that I have been using. This like little peach color. A little bit further back, so kind of at my like temple area. Then a little bit on the forehead, because I got a big forehead. Et pour highlighter, I use petroleum jelly sometimes. That leaves me with like the most natural looking glow. It's how I get kind of a glass skin type look, because that's the look I'm always going for. Pour mes lèvres, my lips, this little NYX pencil. I've had this forever. I do overline a little bit. It's popular for a reason, y'all. J'utilise un peu lipstick rouge et un peu lip gloss. C'est fait. It's done. I think my pronunciation has been bad with that today. C'est le maquillage que je fais beaucoup récemment. J'aime m'exprimer avec mon maquillage. It can kind of reflect whatever I'm feeling that day. Today I'm feeling a little sparkly, a little colorful. Cette vidéo est très difficile à filmer. Je sais que je fais beaucoup d'erreurs. Je vous aime tous. I love you all. If you are able to like and subscribe, it does help support my channel a lot. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Tu peux voir que je suis frustrée.